What are you reading, baby?
Mermaid.
Say Little Mermaid. Okay, hug all your Elmos. Hug, kiss all of them. One, count how many Elmos you have. Ew. Uh-huh. 7. Are you right?
1, 2, 3, 8.
Whoa!
He's right though.
You got 7 Elmos.
You said 1, 2, 3, 8, 7.
You're right, baby.
I don't know. But he's right. He got 7.
You got 7 Elmo. What about you? You're Elmo, so you're 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye-bye. Peace, dog.
Oh, he's nice.
Oh, you love your Elmos? Aww. Huh?
Oh, that's so good.
You kiss Elmo. Say peace, dog. Peace, Elmo.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Say, I'm 2. Say,
2.
I'm 2.
Okay, say, go sing for daddy and mommy.
You meant to say, I'm a future, what's going on?
Finally,